In this video, I'll show you how you can fix alt tabbing out of games makes your screen turn black for a few seconds. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you right click on your desktop and go to display settings. In here you want to make sure your scale and layout, everything is under recommended. So 100% recommended, 920 plus 1080 recommended for me. It might be different from you. After that you want to go over to advanced display settings. And in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're choosing the correct display. I only have this one, so this is the correct for me. And then what you want to do is you want to choose the highest possible hertz for your monitor. So mine is 144. And after you've done that, you want to make sure in the game that you're playing that you also cap it at the same as your refresh rate. So for me, it's 144. And that means in the games, I would cap it at 144. Then once you're in the game, you want to make sure that you're on, instead of full screen, you want to change it to full screen borderless. When you play on borderless, you should be able to tap in and out of the game really quick without having the black screen. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.